Bismillah, today is the day 59 of real making of our chicken coop for our chickens. Presently, I'm near to our chicken coop and trying to make our chicken chicks move downstairs because the main reason is why I am daily making our chicken chicks move downstairs because the main reason is this pigeon coop because my grandfather has personal issues of cleaning this pigeon coop daily and not cleaning 100%. It means he says you have to clean only the upper side, not in the deeper sides of the pigeon coop. That's why if it has more waste, it releases more gases. And I think you may not see our fourth chicken chick because it has gone. I think the main reason was this pigeon coop gases. That's why I don't want to lose any other chicken, so that's why I am daily making them move downstairs. So let's make them move downstairs. Ah 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 ow 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 जल्दी ow 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 see this chick believes me so much. Ow 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 they will not listen like this. What do you think? Is I'm doing right? Is making the movement of the chicken chicks to the downstairs is it is a good plan? Please let me know know the right things in the comments. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to these subs other. See, now they are moving downstairs. So then let us lock this gate so they don't come back. See, now they are outside of our home. So this was the day 59 of real make.